Hello everyone, I'm Sanyukta Borse, librarian at Sadhu Vaswani Institute of Management Studies for Girls, Pune. The topic of my research paper is remote access to libraries, opportunities and challenges in pandemic situation. Libraries are considered to be a heart of educational institutions. Education system in this pandemic situation has drastically changed. Teachers are taking lectures on online mode through Google Meet, Zoom app, Microsoft Team, etc. Some of the libraries are also providing information through online mode using different remote access softwares. However, most of the libraries are struggling to cope with this pandemic situation because of various constraints. Some libraries don't have resources to share on online mode and some are facing technological challenges. Development of good digital libraries is the option for the libraries. Remote access softwares like Remote Log, Remote Access, Easy Proxy, etc. are useful to extend remote access facility to users. Digital age has brought a tremendous change in the way of information is stored and accessed. It is marked by three distinct features: abundance, currency, and easy access of information. This has brought about a change in the concept of libraries, their collection and services. Many new terms like digital libraries, libraries without walls, virtual libraries are emerging to describe the libraries of present day and day. There are some issues related to accessing digital libraries. The first one is copyright. Digitization violates the copyright laws as a thought content of one author can be freely transferred by other without his acknowledgement. So one difficulty to overcome for digital libraries is a way to distribute information. How does a digital library distribute information at will while protecting the copyright of the author? Initial cost is high. The infrastructure cost of digital library, that is the cost of hardware, software, leasing communication circuits, is generally very high. Bandwidth. Digital library will need high band for transfer of multimedia resources, but the bandwidth is decreasing day by day due to its overutilization. Efficiency. With the much larger volume of digital information, finding the right material for specific tasks becomes increasingly difficult. Environment. Digital libraries cannot reproduce the environment of a traditional library. Many people also find reading printed material to be easier than reading material on a computer screen. Preservation. Due to technological developments, a digital library can rapidly become out of date and its data may become inaccessible. There are remote access. Remote access refers to the connection to a data processing system from remote location, for example, through a virtual private network. Remote access means that you can meet or access libraries resources such as e-journals, e-books, databases, etc. for from anywhere and anytime wherever you require. Library user must have a registered user ID and password to access from off campus for various resources. Rules for remote access are that remote access is strictly personal and should only be used for personal study or research purposes. The commercial use of data and systematic download of large amount of data, including entire book or journals, as well as the systematic storage of data, are strictly forbidden. It also forbids to pass on your user ID and password to other and to use remote access in connection with another workplace. If the library of the data supplier should discover any misuse, your remote access will be closed. All traffic relating to remote access is logged by both the data supplier and the library. So there are software for remote access to the library. First one we will see that Easy Proxy. It simplifies resource access. Fully managed by OCLC, connects user to e-resources with single sign-on credential and can be configured to manage access rights. Next is maintains privacy and security, protects user privacy by default, retains library control of user data workflow, and uses robust security rules to mitigate data breaches. It meets system requirements, works with most identity management systems and authentication schemes including LDAP, SIP, CAS, SAML, and Shibboleth. It informs management decisions, includes monthly reports and access to log files with usage insights. Easy Proxy Analytics provides more advanced analytic capabilities. The next one is remote access. It is one of the remote access technology and user authentication software allows to access library subscribing resources. It allows libraries to contain access, storage, retrieve, and target based delivery. Self registration, reset password, creating category is very easy to access. It provides cloud based service as well as server based services. It provides regular users report. Management database is very effective. There is no need to install any software. It requires huge hardware infrastructure or of central serves, bandwidth, cost, IP address registration. The next one is remote log. So first in the first characteristic of remote log is proxy servers management. It is complete remote access proxy solution with customizable plugins for adding new publisher configuration, tested and verified for seamless access with more than 200 publishers. User authentication management. 5 users authentication methods, that is LTAP, IMAP, POP, Google Outlook, and ODBC, SAML, SIP, ticket based. Competitive benefits like OS or infrastructure independent ODBC authentications. The super admin management, centralized admin portal for the super admin of easily managed all the libraries and resources. Next one is consortium module, centralized consortium admin portal for the consortium admin to easily manage all the members libraries or consortium subscribed resources. Usage report management. All the publisher access logs across all respective libraries can be accessed within the reporting module via the admin portal. Usage analytics presented through a dashboard for quick and easy reference. Communication. Custom email communication to all users, researchers, students can be sent through the admin portal itself. Email notification on users on boarding the services. User interface. 3 different layouts and various themes with all the requisite features available for customization as per the requirements. Plug and play architecture of the layouts would facilitate any new designs or customization requirement seamlessly and easily. The approach is easy for new customization, flexible for the design, independent and acceleration driven. And the last one is that is Thomson Reuters comprehensive analysis of jurisprudence and legislation which will enrich the legal arguments for the legal practitioners. Quick and easy access to meet the needs of mobility and convenience every day. It has quick reference to multiple books, search by authors or title. Do research on related terms in all your electronic books and get results appear in each work. So the last characteristic of the software is features that allow you to interact with your book using filters, text marking, index search, citations, custom categories, quick links from index, and much more. So here I would like to conclude that pandemic has posed new challenges in front of libraries, information centers, but it has also provided with new opportunities to library professionals to modernize libraries and design online services. Libraries need to focus on development of content in digital form and provide access to this content in online mode. So remote access softwares like Remote Access, Remote Log, Easy Proxy, and Thomson Pro View Team are the good options. Thank you so much for listening me.